Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. This is a bat. Again. This is a bat. Your turn to read, children. Matt has a bat. Again. Matt has a bat. Your turn to read, children. This is a cap. Again. This is a cap. Your turn to read, children. Papa has a cap. Again. Papa has a cap. Your turn to read, children. This is a bag. Again. This is a bag. Your turn to read, children. Sarah has a bag. Again. Sarah has a bag. Your turn to read, children. This is a cat. Again. This is a cat. Your turn to read, children. Pat has a cat. Again. Pat has a cat. Your turn to read, children. The cat is fat. Again. The cat is fat. Your turn to read, children. This is a hat. Again, this is a hat. Your turn to read, children. Lara has a hat. Again, Lara has a hat. Your turn to read, children. This is a jam. Again, this is a jam. Your turn to read, children. Lala has a jam. Again, Lala has a jam. Your turn to read, children. This is a map. Again, this is a map. Your turn to read, children. Nala has a map. Again, Nala has a map. Your turn to read, children. This is a mat. Again, this is a mat. Your turn to read, children. This is a rat. Again, this is a rat. Your turn to read, children. The rat sat on the mat. Again, the rat sat on the mat. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. This is a bat. Matt has a bat. This is a cap. Papa has a cap. This is a bag. Sarah has a bag. This is a cat. Pat has a cat. The cat is fat. This is a hat. Lara has a hat. This is a jam. Lala has a jam. This is a map. Nala has a map. This is a mat. This is a rat. The rat sat on the mat. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you in our next lessons.